Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from News.
What can be anybody's opinion about a brutal rape and a murder? Can there be two opinions? So you give opinion about things where there is a possibility of a different opinion. Obviously, it's obvious what can be any sane person's opinion. You see, society doesn't move together. What happens? They remain in different time zones, different cultural zones. Some very good things happen, some very bad things happen at the same time. But I'm afraid that many bad things have started happening rather too frequently, and we as a society should bother about it.
You know, it's very sad. It's unfortunate that we have such people in India basically it has to do a lot with the mentality. It's really unfortunate that there are such perverts and sick minds who think like this, and they objectify girls, women, kids. You know, it has to do with the mentality. So we can't say anything, but yes, we need strict punishment, stricter laws from government. That is the only solution for it, because unless we send the right message to these people, it is not going to stop. No matter what all messages we write, we send them, it has to have a contribution from government side to do it in a right manner, to make stricter laws for it. That's all I can say. It's quite sad.
The whole thing is that whatever is happening in our country, whether it's with the 3-day-old child in UP or with Asifa, it's just so shocking, and so I don't think there can be any justice. Both of us, I remember, we were very, very disturbed for days, but we need to, I don't know how you can educate the men in your own homes, or how can you teach humanity to human beings, because they clearly not.
और ये ना ये तो असीफा का भी जो चैप्टर हुआ है, लेकिन ऐसा बहुत कुछ हो गया है, हमें कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है, कंट्री को कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है, हमें कुछ करना चाहिए इसके बारे में.
Even that Pakistani girl, the last year that event that happened, this year whatever happened, it's just all too shocking. I think the end is very close. Yeah,
it's scary.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या है, हमारे सोचने से, आपके कहने से या मेरे कहने से अगर फ़र्क पड़ता तो बात ही क्या थी. बहुत चीज़ें आगे बढ़ जाती, बहुत सी चीज़ें हो जाती. गुस्सा आता है, खून खौलता है, लेकिन हम उसका कुछ कर नहीं पाते. आई थिंक 1 for 1 होना चाहिए. एज विमेन और एज मैन, वी नीड टू रियलाइज वी कांट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर पीपल. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन टुडेज डे एंड एज आप चाहकर भी किसी पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रह सकते. तो चाहे वो सेल्फ डिफेंस सीखना हो, और इट मीन्स टू कैरी अ पेपर स्प्रे, और इट मीन्स कि आप शायद जो आपके घर पे जो दीदी आती है काम करने के लिए, उनके बच्चे हैं, आप उन तक पहुंचो, आप उनको कुछ सलाह दो, आप उनको कोई सीख दो, शायद उससे कोई फ़र्क पड़े. बट दैट्स द मैक्सिमम दैट वी कैन डू एज सिटीजन्स. आगे देखते हैं अब क्या होता है.
आप जिस तरह से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कि इन रेप केसेस के बारे में क्या ख्याल है, ये सवाल अपने आप में, सॉरी टू से, कि सही सवाल नहीं है. आई थिंक जो हमारे देश में हो रहा है एंड पूरी दुनिया में हो रहा है औरतों के साथ, बच्चियों के साथ, ये तो बच्ची है, इसको लड़की भी नहीं कहा जा सकता. इसे हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना पड़ेगा जब तक कन्विक्शन ना हो.
I genuinely feel that I don't even know what to say. It's not even, it's barbaric, it's evil. These men don't belong to this world. I don't think वो इस दुनिया से नहीं है. उनको, ऐसे लोगों को ना सच में दिमागी इलाज कराना चाहिए. और I really want to see some swift justice, because it makes me genuinely break down. So literally my hand is going to shiver now. I can't. It's too heart-wrenching. So that's all I can say, guys. Really.
Just stricter punishment, I guess, which is what the entire nation is unanimously asking for. It's something that we should actually not even be asking. It's something that should be instilled into our children, our boys, right from the very beginning. So I think in terms of upbringing, that needs to change. The boys need to be taught a better mentality, I guess. And as for people who still commit these crimes, I think the maximum punishment ever. This is unacceptable, and we as a nation have raised our voice today, and something needs to be done for sure.